Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon on this Friday. I hope you're well. Well, we are looking at that storm chance through tonight and into tomorrow morning. In fact, I do think we're going to see rain in the coastal bend tonight. The question is who's going to get under the heaviest rain and what time exactly are they going to move in. But we are going to see storms later on tonight. Taking a look outside right now, we are seeing those very warm and sticky temperatures. It is humid out there. We have 90 degrees in Alice right now to 85 in Corpus Christi. The water is warm to 78 at Port Aransas to 82 at Bob Hall Piers. We've got some warm ocean water just off the coast. Now it's feeling, with all that humidity in the air, hotter. These are the heat indices, and when you combine temperature and humidity, it's feeling like 99 in Robstown to 101 at Kingsville, and the Naval Air Station, it's humid. 101 is what it feels like right now. The winds have picked up though. It's helping it outdoors to feel a little bit better. We have 17 to 23 mile-an-hour winds right now from the southeast. All is quiet at this time, but there's an upper level low which is developing and moving into West Texas. That's in the upper air. What you're looking at right here though is at the surface, and we have a dry line where we have much drier air behind that yellow line and very moist air out ahead of it. That helps give us more lift with these storms as the moist air is actually lighter than the dry air. So we got the ingredients there, and the storms are flaring up out in West Texas, and as that upper level wave moves across south central Texas tonight and tomorrow, that will continue to give us that thunderstorm chance. Now you can see this is just one of our forecast models, and again they are differing a bit on the timing and strength of the storms. Nevertheless, heavy rain with some of these is certainly expected, and there could be something stronger coming in. Right now this forecast model is showing these as early as 10 o'clock in the evening in our western counties, moving through McMullen and Bee and Live Oak counties, but and then gradually working their way toward the coast, and by midnight to about 1 in the morning you can see starting to move across Corpus Christi and then pulling off the coastline. As we go through the day tomorrow, the best chance of rain with any of that lingering is early, and then in the afternoon we could see a few spot storms popping up again as that upper low lingers and we get that daytime heating. So can't rule out a little bit of rain in the afternoon tomorrow, but most of it's going to come late tonight, and we'll have some dry time for your Saturday. Now, the couple of things to watch for is the potential for any severe storms. You can see the severe storm risk is higher in West Texas, but as you get toward Corpus Christi, we are in a slight to marginal risk as you head down toward Claiborne County. The greatest risk of heavier rain or severe storms is going to be in our northern and western counties. And then tomorrow, we're still in a marginal risk. If anything pops up in the afternoon, we could still see some wind or hail with those storms. Now again, this is just one of many forecast models. What I want you to notice is the potential is there for over 2 inches of rain with these storms. Some places won't get as much, others could get dumped on, and there could be some localized flooding. So right now it looks like the better chance of seeing any of the heavier rain, anywhere from 2, maybe even up to 3 inches, is going to be north. However, south, that potential is there as well. You can see even Alice could see over 1 inch. It just depends on where those storms land, but somebody's going to see some heavy rain tonight through tomorrow morning. Now, as I mentioned, you will have dry time to get outdoors tomorrow, and temperatures staying in the lower to mid 80s for highs, and then we are looking at the winds not as strong tomorrow, staying under about 18 miles an hour. We're also going to see, as you can see from those numbers there, those are rain chances. The better chances in the morning, but in the afternoon there's still the potential of a few widely scattered thunderstorms as the air destabilizes in the afternoon with the heating. So high temperatures tomorrow reaching near 90 farther inland, but at the coastline low to mid 80s for your Saturday. Sunday looks fairly dry. There is a chance though we could still see an isolated thunderstorm Sunday, and 87 degrees. Next week the heat cranks up. The ridge of high pressure aloft builds, and we're going to see some 90-degree temperatures next week, as we'll see only an isolated storm chance Monday.